It was a nice rain at first, but now it's hailing out here, so, you know, I'm okay with it unless it starts coming down so hard that it starts to break something. Yeah. I think it'll be okay though, they don't look too big. I don't know. Yeah, they're probably like dime size or something. They don't look too big. I'll go out after this and see if they're still there. Get a good picture or something of it. Yeah. As long as it doesn't break anything, I'm cool. I'm glad it's raining because it's been like really hot out here, 90 something degrees. Yeah, this is a nice breeze coming through, but let's see what happens. Yeah, it's getting a little, just a little bit bigger. Coming down a little harder. Does not sound good from in here. Not a fun sound coming from in here. Nature. So, got a little break in the storm right now. I think our cars are good. You can hear it moving, but look at this hail. It's, you know, some of it's some nice size ones, some of them are really solid. I mean, look at that. Straight ice chunks coming out of the sky. Glad like we weren't outside, stuck outside or something. I mean, look how big that is. Nice size ones, and you also got the little ones, but those are more solid. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, let me get back in. It's starting to rain again. Crazy. We'll run out. Crazy clouds. And see if I can get on the roof and see what it looks like up there. Before it gets anywhere. Just puddles of water. See a little collection of hail up there, but This is good. Cool. Alright, let me get back in.